In this video, we'll deploy the blog clone that we created in the first video to a new website. So in the cPanel of your new site, find Fantastico, and then click and install a WordPress installation. So we'll make a new installation of WordPress. I would like my site to be in a blog subdirectory. If you're installing in a root domain, you don't need to put anything here, obviously. Now enter your admin username and password, keeping in mind that these will be overwritten by WP Twin, and we'll explain that in a few minutes. Fill out your email, fill out your site name and your site description, and click Install WordPress. Once it's done, click Finish Installation. Now let's go take a look at that blog. And as you can see here, we have a stock WordPress installation with no content. Now we're going to overwrite this WordPress installation with our clone file. Now I'm in my FTP program, and I'm FTP'd into the root of my new blog installation. So I need to first copy wp-twin-deploy.php to the root of my blog installation. I also need to take the clone file that I downloaded from when I cloned my old blog and upload it to the root of the blog as well. This could take some time depending on the size of your clone file. Once that is uploaded, we'll need to visit wp-twin-deploy.php in our browser. So go to your new blog and then add wp-twin-deploy.php. Now on the wp-twin-deploy screen, you'll see that two checkboxes under Delete Clone File after deploying and Delete wp-twin script after deploying are already checked. wp-twin does this by default as a part of its cleanup routine. It basically cleans up after itself. You don't want to leave the clone file on your blog anyway for security reasons. So choose your clone file to deploy. If you only have one clone file, there will only be one showing. Then click Deploy Clone. Once wp-twin deploy has completed, you'll come to a screen that says Site Clone Deployed. Now you can click to view your site. And as you can see, here's our website, just like it was on the old domain. Content is here, categories are here, images, everything that we had on our old blog is now on our new blog. Now one thing to note with wp-twin is that the site title and the site tagline stay with the new blog settings. So whatever you set those when you installed WordPress on the new site are there. And you can easily change these in WP Admin if you choose to do so. Now that our blog is deployed, it's important to keep in mind that as we covered earlier, the WP Admin username and password that you created when you installed the new WordPress on your new site have been overwritten by the clone file. So whatever your WP Admin username and password were on the original site, that's what they are here. So that's one thing to keep in mind, and that is how you clone a blog with WP Twin.